Ethereum value equivalent to $3,082.85 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 3D22.75, 3,29.75. The earlier day close, 3,063.19. The change was plus 1966, plus 0.64%. Backwards rate, US to ETH. Ethereum conjecture for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $2,803. Excessive cost 3 of 1 year 13, while low cost 2,705. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,883. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 29 and 9. Change for August 38%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at 29 and 9 bucks. Excessive cost 3,610, while low cost 2,909. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3D201. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 3D374. Change for September 16%. Ethereum figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 3D374 bucks. Excessive cost 3D616, while low cost 3D142. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3D378. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 3D379. Change for October's 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 3D379 bucks. Excessive cost 4D46, while low cost 3D379. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3D646. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 3D781. Change for November 11.9%. Ethereum figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 3D781 bucks. Excessive cost 4D569, while low cost 3D781. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4U100. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 42.70. Change for December 12.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at 42.70 bucks. Excessive cost 49.65, while low cost 42.70. The found the middle value of cost 4D536. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 4D640. Change for January 8.7%. Ethereum gauge for February 2025. To start with, cost at 4D640 bucks. Exorbitant cost 5D41, while low cost 4D381. The found the middle value of cost 4D6093. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 4D711. Change for February 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 4D711 bucks. Exorbitant cost 5D184, while low cost 4D506. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4D812. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 4D845. Change for spring 2.8%. Ethereum estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 4D845 bucks. Exorbitant cost 5N236, while low cost 4D550. The found the middle value of cost 4D881. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 4D893. Change for April 10%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at 4D893 bucks. Excessive cost 5E401, while low cost 4D695. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,009. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 5D48. Change for May 2%. Ethereum estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 5D48 bucks. Exorbitant cost 5E412, while low cost 4D704. The found the middle value of cost 5,056. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 5N58. Change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 5,058 bucks. Excessive cost 5E555, while low cost 48 and 29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5E159. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 5N92. Change for July 6%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 5N192 bucks. Exorbitant cost 63.20, while low cost 5M192. The found the middle value of cost 5N653. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 5.9 and 7, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 5.9 at $7. Exorbitant cost 63.93, while low cost 5.557. They found the middle value of cost 5 on 958. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 5.975, change for September 1.2%. Ethereum estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 5.9 at $75. Excessive cost 74 and 16, while low cost 5 and 975. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,574. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 69 at 31, change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 69 at $31. Excessive cost 69.31, while low cost 5.9 at 65. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,560. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 64 and 14, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum conjecture for December 2025. Before all else cost at 64 $14. Exorbitant cost 64 and 14, while low cost 5,011. They found the middle value of cost 5,807. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 5,388, change for December 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $5,388. Exorbitant cost 6,688, while low cost 5,388. They found the middle value of cost 5 and 929. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 6,250, change for January 16%. Ethereum figure for February 2026. Before all else cost at $6,250. Excessive cost $6,250, while low cost $49 and 69. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,703. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 5,343, change for February 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at $5,343. Excessive cost $5,343, while low cost $45.97. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,057. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 49 and 43, change for spring 7.5%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at $49 and 43. Excessive cost $6,835, while low cost $49.43. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,439. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 5,734, change for April 16%. Us to ETH expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 311 coins.